morning, everyone. This is Mary from Linbay Machinery. Today, I will introduce you a wire mesh fence post roll forming machine. So usually, wire mesh metal fence post has many types. Usually we have pitch type and some round rectangular type. This is a rectangular type. Wire mesh metal fence post roll forming machine. It's widely used in residential area and road isolation, gardens, and some entertainment places. Many situations we can use it, and it will be used with the wire net to be a complete metal fence post product, and we are capable to roll forming other profiles in metal fence post roll profiles too. So usually the material is 1 to 1.2 millimeters, and the whole. Here, our customers is using the roll forming and the cut part to upgrade his roll forming machine. He has the punch press, decoiler, leveler already in his factory. So the main process is the decoiler, leveler, servo feeder, punch press, then the roll forming and the flying saw cut. Okay, now let's have a detail of the machine. Here comes to our roll forming part. This is the feeding. So the rollers will let the materials come into the roll forming part more straight, and it will be more favorable for the later roll forming. So the forming part, you can see here we adopt the wall panel and the chain drive. The chain drive is on the other side, so you can't see, and it will be covered by our protective net cover. It's very important in our production to help protect our workers' safety. So this production line has almost 32 forming stands because of the complexity of our pitch type wire mesh fence post profiles. And the wall panel is always very well received all around the world because it's very cost-effective choices for the roll forming structure part. It's very stable and it can keep the material working in high load situation. And also the chain drive is a very traditional power transmission mode. It has less elastic friction and it can eliminate the stress when on the powering transmission. So, and it can work in hard conditions like high temperature and oil pollution, which is very common in our workplace. So the wall panel and the chain drive, this structure is very common in our roll forming too. Most of our customers will choose this pattern. Okay, so after the roll forming part, we come to our final cut part. Here you can see we are adopting a flying saw cut. So the biggest advantage for using the saw cut is its no wastage. So it can help our customer to save the material, and it won't make a deformation to the profile because this is a closed tube. So the saw cut is more fitable for cutting a closed tube. It won't cause any deformation to the final product. So here the whole process for the saw cut is we're using this hydraulic valve to tighten up the product so it won't be tilted or distorted on the position. Then we are using the motor to have a flying cut effect, so we can roll forming the product while cutting the product. The whole speed of the machine process will be highly increased. Is the reforming part and the flying saw cut part for our wire mesh pitch type metal fence post products reforming machine. And you can see the whole structure and the configuration for it is quite simple, but it's customized by our customer too. So you can see, so for each profile, we can adopt various configurations to fit your needs and your requirements to reach the biggest, the most perfect effect between you and our company, the machine. So here, you may be worried about the commission of the machine. We will commission the machine in our factory. So when the machine is shipped to your factory, once it's installed, it can start producing the profiles at once. So there's no worry for that. And we will provide you the manual of use and the manual installations. And our after-sale group will have our engineers in it. We can contact all the time. The warranty time for you is 5 years for the motor, 2 years for the whole line, and 7 days and after, and long whole life after time sale service. So if you are interested in our machine or you have any inquiries of your product, of your profile, please subscribe our channel or send us your inquiries. We will reply to you as soon as possible. See you next time. Bye bye.